Welcome to Lead Brakes. My name is Bill Cummings. Today we're going to take a look at our PBKT 6000 power brake booster master cylinder for the 73 to 87 C10 trucks. This power brake booster is a direct bolt-on to your stock firewall and will work with most stock and aftermarket master cylinders. Let's get this box opened up and show you what's inside. In this kit, you receive our zinc-plated 8-inch dual power brake booster, which is hand polished before the plating is applied. We pre-assembled this brake booster with the mounting brackets attached for an easy installation. If you're looking for these products or any other of our products, check out leadbrakes.com or give us a call at 716-852-2139.